Boydie.
Good night, Sharon.
So, Boydie, do you want to fool around a little bit?
No, Sharon, I don't. I got work in the morning. I'm tired.
Come on, Boydie.
No, Sharon, don't touch me. I'm upset. I got a ring on my finger. I just want to go to sleep.
Okay, Boydie.
What are you doing?
I'm chewing gum.
Why would you chew gum in bed? We're about to go to sleep.
Do you want some?
No, I don't want any gum, Sharon. Jesus, you're gonna choke if you have that in your mouth when you're sleeping.
Oh.
What?
I swallowed it.
You know, it's not good to swallow gum, Sharon. Whatever, I'm going to sleep.
Okay, Boydie.
God, kill me. Just kill me. Just do it. End me. God damn it, kill it.
Boydie, where'd you go?
I woke up in the middle of the road somewhere.
Boydie, you really gonna stop sleepwalking?
Whatever.